because we need to tell the neural network that our sentence finished. I mean, they're kind of dumb, right? We need to tell them everything. When I hear like AI will take over the world, I go like, really? We have to actually spell it out. Okay, so this is the transformer, the king of architectures. The transformers came in 2017. Nobody's working on new architectures right now. It is a bit sad. Like, everybody is using these things. There used to be like some pluralism, but now no. Everybody's using transformers. We've decided they're great. Okay, so what we're going to do with this, and this is kind of important and the amazing thing, is we're going to do self-supervised learning. And this is what I said. We have the sentence, we truncate, we predict, and we keep going till we learn these probabilities. Okay? You're with me so far? Good. Okay. So once we have our transformer and we've given it all this data that there is in the world, then we have a pre-trained model. That's why GPT is called the generative pre-trained transformer. This is a baseline model that we have and has seen a lot of things about the world in the form of text. And then what we normally do, we have this general purpose model and we need to specialize it somehow for a specific task. And this is what is called fine-tuning. So that means that the network has some weights and we have to specialize the network. We'll initialize the weights with what we know from the pre-training, and then in the specific task, we will learn a new set of weights. So for example, if I have medical data, I will take my pre-trained model, I will specialize it to this medical data, and then I can do something that is specific for this task, which is, for example, write a diagnosis from a report. Okay? So this notion of fine-tuning is very important because it allows us to do special purpose applications for these generic pre-trained models. Now, and people think that GPT and all of these things are general purpose, but they are fine-tuned to be general purpose, and we'll see how. Okay, so here's the question now. We have this basic technology to do this pre-training, and I told you how to do it if you download all of the web. How good can a language model become? Right? How does it become great? Because when GPT came out in GPT-1 and GPT-2, they were not amazing. So the bigger, the better. Size is all that matters, I'm afraid. This is very bad because we used to, people didn't believe in scale, and now we see that scale is very important.